Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest Armoire collection. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks with me. This is Willie. He's my son's dog. Say hi. This is Dexter, who's going to knock the camera over, I think. He's so tall. Can you turn around, buddy, and say hi? There you go. And if you see a white dog, that is Willie, or Loki. I don't remember their names. That's Loki. And Harvey's out here too. He's our kitty. I'm Laura. If you're new, please stick around. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And that is how Dexter says hi. Huh, you're just moving the camera everywhere. You like it better there? Okay, wild man. Okay. Armoire is a rental subscription service. I really love it because it allows you to get those really expensive pieces at an affordable price point. It allows you to have a revolving closet so you don't have to wash your clothes and you always have new things to wear without clogging up your closet. Perfect for special events, maternity wear, cruises, black tie events. They have it all, including loungewear. So, and you can pick all the pieces yourself, or you can have a stylist pick you, or a combination of both. This one, I believe I picked all the pieces this time, and they have 3 different capsule collections you can choose from. Of course, I have a discount if you use my link, no matter which choice you pick. I do the unlimited capsule. What that means is that I get 6 items at a time that I can swap throughout the month. So I can always have 6 items, but if I wore 3 of them, I could send them back, get 3 more throughout the month. So I always can keep that revolving. That one is $249 a month. If you use my link, you'll get 50% off plus 2 bonus items. If that's too much, you don't need all that. They have a 7-item capsule that you do not exchange the pieces. You just keep the 7 items for the month, wear them as if they're your own, and then the next month, 7 new items. It's $119 a month. Use my discount code. You'll get 35% off, $77.35. Plus, don't forget, you'll get those 2 bonus items. And the last option is a 4-item capsule if you just want to have 4 really unique, cool pieces to integrate throughout the month. $89. Use my discount, you'll get 25% off, $66.75. Plus, you get 2 extra bonus items that first month. You can also purchase the items. We'll go through all that if you love it and can't part with it. Otherwise, you wear them as if they're your own, enjoy them, and then send them back and get new pieces. All right, let's see what I picked for this time around. I think I was thinking like jackets, transitional styles. Keep the bag. You put everything back in the bag to return it. I love that they do the little like origami dresses. Are those not adorable? Okay, you get the label to return everything. Everything comes in a nice little bundle. First up, all right, from Transcend, I have the Kantha bomber jacket. Keep in mind, these are all my picks. So check out all the pattern in all of this, and check out the back. How fun is that? Check out the tiny, tiny little pocket. Oh, what is that? Is it a little patch? Oh, no, it's not a pocket. It's just a little patch. Okay. That's fascinating. Even the sleeves have all the fun detail. All right. That's first. Next up, we have the Beyond Yoga Featherweight dress in navy. That's adorable. That is really cute. It has pockets. It's flowy. All right. While I'm doing this, I'll just tell you the prices for this. So the Transcend bomber jacket retails for $200. If I want to keep it, 27% off, $146. For the Beyond Yoga Featherweight dress, that one's a small. The jacket is also a small, $138. My price would be $117. Next up is a simple white tank by Faherty. This is the Sunwashed rib sleeve tank in an extra small. Retails for $58. My price would be $44. That's 25% off. I will say that they frequently will, once you sign up, they'll send you discounts as well. So they might notice that you kept an item long for a while, so maybe you love it, so here's $20 towards keeping it. They'll do that kind of thing as well. Next up is by Joie, the Mara Cotton High-Rise Pant. Check out this color. Thought this would be nice for these warmer days still, but when you're having to start to think about transitioning, those are really pretty. It also comes with a little tie belt here. That's cute. Next up is a jacket by Nick and Zoe. This was actually my first pick to add into my cart. I thought this was so fun. Check that out. Has the side zipper. It's stretchy. It's in this nice pinky color. That's really pretty. It's called the Petal Sunset Soft Jacket. It's an extra small. It retails for $188. If I want to keep it, 49% off, $96. The last one is by LaFleur. This is so adorable. It's the Porter long sleeve jacket. This comes in a red as well. This one's in a blue. We're going to see what this looks like on. It has blue, black, white in there. Also stretchy, has room. So this was my really expensive item. Really expensive. So that retails for $625. I love being able to try these kind of pieces, right? If I want to keep it, 20% off, $500. It's be fun to wear that one. All right, let's see how they look. First outfit, I put on the Joie pants, the Faherty tank. The pants are too small. Since I have the unlimited collection, I can see if the next size up is available and swap them out right away. They are super cute. I love this wide leg. The color is stunning. I'm liking the seaming. They're just so well made. The buttons in the front, just so super cute. But too tight right here for me. The tank, adorable. Easy wear, typical tank. It's nice and thick, so it feels really nice on. I'm really enjoying it. You can see that kind of ribbed look. So super cute. I could throw on, look, you see something. I could throw this jacket on with it. How fun is this? It'll go with the dress as well. It's a little bit longer. This is so pretty. I did a couple buttons. You could do all or none, but how cute is this? I love it. All right, so everybody's starting to wake up in my neighborhood. It's starting to get noisy, so we're going to go a little bit faster. Couldn't wait to get those pants off. That was a size 2, my normal size, but apparently that pant is running a little bit larger. The tank, or a little bit smaller. The tank's super cute. Love it as a great basic. Speaking of a great basic, how about this adorable dress by Beyond Yoga in navy? Has the pockets. It's flowy. It is double layered, so it has a lining. What do you think, Dex? Do you like it? Very easy to wear. I would probably match my bra color to this and put on like a navy if I could. I think, but you could probably just get away then with wearing a normal bra, or you could go with a strapless. Very comfy, very cozy. You could then throw that same jacket on top for a work look and take it off for an evening look. How cute is this jacket? I love it, right? Has the pockets, it's longer. Dresses up this whole outfit. So cute. Next up is the Transcend jacket. This is such a cute bomber. I'm loving all the details in this jacket. It is fully lined. This is black at the bottom, you can tell, not blue, but it goes nicely with all the blues in the jacket. Here's what it looks like zipped up. Right? Cute little bomber. I like this. The colors are really pretty. Last but not least is the Nick and Zoe jacket. I love this. Stretch, comfort, it's going to elevate any look. I love this little cutout here. It's so adorable when you wear it open. And you can also wear it closed. Let's see what that looks like. Like a little moto style. How cute is that? And you could probably even fold it all down if you wanted to. Yeah, there you go. See? So many ways to wear this one. I really like this. This is so super pretty. And that is a wrap on all 6 of my pieces. What did you think? Do you have any rental needs where you have something coming up that you may need clothes for that you won't need again? Like black tie event or a cruise or something fun like that. Otherwise, it's just nice to add these really expensive, like the LaFleur jacket items into your wardrobe and shake it up a little bit. I love Armoire. They're so easy to work with. It really is such a fabulous service. I'll put all the information down below in case you'd like to give it a try. I'll also add these pieces in case you'd like to add them to your next case. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This is so much fun. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.